Joseph here for Free Gardens Unlimited. It's a hot one today. It's a hot one today. 6 p.m. Maximum outside day temperature was 85. It got up to 120 degrees in here, right up there. And that's where we got our, that's where we have our dragon fruit, our little cacti there, and our sweet bell peppers. And then we got radishes coming up down here. When they get bigger, I'll transplant them outside. Got another tray of microgreens going after harvesting the first. Got some basil we're going to transplant this evening. Oh, the cucumbers have just gotten really big. We'll be transplanting those tomorrow evening. Chocolate cherry tomatoes here. We got our dill out there in the back, our cilantro. We got some thyme, some rosemary, some oreganos. We got watermelons and cantaloupe here. Cantaloupe on the right and watermelons on the left. And then we got our two jalapeno right here just hanging out. Got a couple of heads of lettuce, a couple of sunflowers right there. Over here on this side, our goji berry just took off. Our two grape. It's our younger josta berry here in the lower left. Our gooseberry. Got two blueberry, brand new blueberry started. And then we got two variety of strawberries. The sequoia, the big ones in the front. And then the ever sweeter in the back. Still doing it, still getting it done. My goodness, they've exploded. We got two yellow squash and then two Fort Hook zucchini. Our carrots are just baller. Carrots are really taking off. Onions are really taking off. Our beets are doing really well. Our eggplant, radishes the size of golf balls, I kid you not. Lettuce all day long. Been eating on this since late April. We've been eating off this. We got our cabbage and our Brussels sprouts. Got more radishes in the back over there. We got this row weeded out, getting ready to do another run of spinach. There's a zucchini, yellow squash, cucumbers in the rear. Then our snap peas back here. All right, girls, in the yard. Come on now, in the yard. Good girls. I take care of these dogs. Come on, in the yard. Come on, good girls. Good girls. Come on. America. Our tomatoes over here are just going nuts. Oh yeah, okay, that one's the Roma. This one is the cherry tomato. This one's the big beefsteak tomato. And then this one is the early girl. And we're already getting tomatoes on her. Stalks on them are just massive. They're getting there. I'm going to hit them with another round of compost tea tonight. Yeah, we were already getting tomatoes on them. Just awesome. Then back here, that's our rhubarb. We're growing that for our neighbor. He makes rhubarb pie. And we transplanted a josta berry today. I did 4 chocolate cherry tomatoes, a couple of sunflower there. And of course, the ladies, the girls. See, that one's a blueberry, that one's a blueberry, and that one's a strawberry cough. I got 2 more strawberry cough going right there on the bucket. It's going to be great. By the end of next month, I reckon I'm going to have to transplant those into 20-gallon pots. If this weather keeps up. Thought I'd peek in, let you all know how things are going. Hope you guys are doing well. God bless you. From Free Gardens Unlimited, this is Joseph. God bless you.